Welcome back to the channel. Today's topic is how to identify the fields, backend fields when you are creating the company in the company page. So before going to the topic, if you forgot like and subscribe button, you can do the like and subscribe and then watch this video. So let's go to the topic. So let's open the Bittrex and then you can open the CRM section, and after that you can choose the company page. After that, if you created this company, this is the company page. In the company page you can created your company details manually. I think you know the well experience how to create the data in manual section, but today I didn't explain the manual entry section. I need to identify, I need to transfer the data through webhook, inbound webhook section. Inbound webhook URL, it benefit, it is a benefitable for any data from outside of the Bittrex to transfer to the inside of the Bittrex. Either you are transferring the lead section or the contact section or the company section or the deal section, whatever it may be. So today we will transfer the data in the company page section. So for that, you can, if you want, if you transfer the data in the company section, you need to identify the company fields, then only you can transfer the data. So for that you can identify the fields. So for you can create the data manual entry, one entry. According to that you can identify the fields. If you identify the fields, and next procedure you can transfer that, you can push the data into the company section. So I have already copied this company id. You, and then you can go to the developer resources. You can choose inbound webhook url. I have already created inbound webhook url for transfer the data into the company section. So for that, pass the method like crm.company.add. So what is the use of this method is, so whenever, if you, whenever they transfer the data from outside of the Bittrex into the company page, this method is calling, and immediately this method can receive the data and store into the company page section. So that is the benefit of the this method. So if you identify that your company page section, you can copy this webhook to call REST API, and then you can go to there at Postman section. By using the Postman, you can easily identify the fields. See this, I have already copied this URL and passed this method crm.company.get. If I think you have a small question, you put a method like crm.company.add, but you can pass the data. You can put the method like crm.company.get. So what is the difference between the crm.company.add.get? Add, it's nothing but new entry will be created in the company page. But right now we didn't created new entry. Whatever the entry is there, that entry we need to identify the fields. For that you can pass this method crm.company.get. This method is used for identify the fields, whatever the data in the company section. So for that you can pass this method and identify the fields. According to that you can you can push the data outside of the Bittrex to inside of the Bittrex company page section by using crm.company.add. So like that you can transfer the data. See this, I have clicked that send button. Immediately this is the title of this company. Remaining fields, if you want to require it, I think in the company section the title is required. Why? Because we have already company related context will be added in their context section. So I think only we, if we required this title and other fields. If you want to require it, you can use the required fields. So like that, you can identify the fields and push the data into the company section. Thank you.